I'm going to show you how to remove the door card on a Porsche Boxster, and we're going to start right now. My name is Aaron and this is Help Me DIY. Welcome to another video. If this is your first time here and you want to learn how to do your own work on your Boxster, save some money, and do all types of other DIY stuff, start now by subscribing to the channel and clicking the bell so you don't miss anything. All right, we're going to remove the door card real quickly. So we're just going to start by pry that off from the bottom and lift it up because there's a little clip right there that slides into right here, and if you break that, then it's really rattly and annoying. And that one pops right off. Pressure fit from that guy, and then our airbag is helping to hide one more. Only a professional like Chris can use a metal tool on this.
And then there's
one that's just hiding right back in here somewhere.
That one's gone. It's only on the driver's side that there's one, I guess.
Yeah, all right, yeah. So driver's side, you got an extra one hiding in here.
T20.
And one behind the handle.
So T20.
T20.
These are T27 or T30. I think T30 is the T27 works. This one's super long.
This has got to go all the way through into the door.
Yeah.
Still going, still going. Oh yeah. Another T27.
This one's missing. There's normally one right there.
Yeah, there should be one right there. Just pop some clips off from the bottom. And then lift it straight up.
That's it.
And just a few wires connecting, one for the door handle. Just pry that one out.
And this spins and then straight up.
And then there's this little light down here. Pulls out.
That's it.
That's all there is to removing the door card. So that was it, pretty simple. I hope these were nice, clear instructions on how to do it. If they were, please give the video a thumbs up. And again, if you're not subscribed to the channel, I always appreciate your support. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next video.